Hey guys, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases. These will be coming to the shop on Friday at noon Eastern, and we do have an unlimited stock for the first 3 hours as of right now. So let's go ahead and get into these. So let me go ahead and show you this one first. And this one's called Birthday Girl. 3 of the collections, well, one and the other one is like the same collection with different colors, are ultimate exclusives. So that means that they will not be coming in mini kits, but the other one does have a mini kit. And next week, all of our Wizard kits will also be ultimate exclusives because our production is a little tight right now. But I somehow swung pulling this one off. The art just came out and I was like, I need to do it. It's so beautiful, mostly because I want to use it and I'm like, we'll figure it out production wise. So let's go ahead and get into this. So you do have your little munchkin freebie in the back. So this is another one just like the home kit where I took a bunch of art by the same artist and mashed it together to create something new and recolored it. I did take a bunch of art drawn by Jessica, J. Crew Plans, and changed the colors of it to be like pink, white, gray, silver, and made a little birthday kit. So this has a lot of different art from a lot of different collections like November Mystery, the Tangled kit. This one I don't know if I ever used this crown, some from the planner party. There's just a bunch of different art from Jessica in here, so I just thought it was really cute, like a little pink and neutrals collection for a birthday. So then you have a bunch of deco over here. A really pretty weekend banner has the black font with the silver in the back, and then such a cute little celebrating scribblers. I love the colors. The extra one is a little for you birthday present. So cute. Little black on the marble payday. The ombres do have the marble in them with the black stroke on the text. This was before the stroke around the check boxes, so it still has the dots. You have your labels and pattern washi, your labels and your solid washi. And then you have your ombre art checklist with the black stroke, and then your bottom washi, which is super simple but would be so cute to pull in some really cute maybe pink and silver washi. And then you have your extra washi on the side and your date covers. So that is Birthday Girl, which I just think is really, really cute. I like to periodically do birthday kits, and I feel like no one has come out with birthday art in a minute. So I just thought that was kind of a nice way to just have a little fun. I really like taking different art and recoloring it and making it a different kit. I just think it's so fun. Then I do, let me actually show you. There is an option for glitter headers. There's 2 different options. So there's an all silver option, and then there's also an option that is colorful, and then you do also have fashion girls if you want to add those on. So cute. I love the one with the gray hair. So that is Birthday Girl. So you have those options there. Oh, and then there's the bows. I'm the worst. 1 second. And then you also have the bow option if you want to add those on, which these color bows are so pretty. I have a feeling you guys are going to love on those hard. Then I do also have 2 baby kits. A lot of people have been asking for a gender neutral one, and I am going to be redoing, I think it was called Little Star maybe, but it was all black and white with gold, and I think I'm going to reformat that as a neutral kit. I went to do this one as a neutral kit, but I feel like it was just like almost too neutral then. And I was gonna do green, but I know not everyone's a fan of green and yellow, and I just feel like black and white's so nice. And if you do the gold just in the glitter headers and accents and stuff, you could always like nix the glitter headers and put green or yellow in if you want to do it that way. But let's go ahead over the blue option first. So they're pretty much the same kit, it's just the colors changed. This is the blue edition, so you do have your munchkins. You have your full boxes, which are so cute, so sweet. I'm not having a baby anytime soon, but yeah, I'm not having a baby anytime soon. So I'm like, I don't need this. Don't jinx myself. The little extra boxes, the rocking chair. I feel like if I would keep this, and this has the little stroke around, which is so sweet with this kit. If I kept this kit for myself, you know, I'd end up pregnant. So I'm like, nope, gotta get this away from me as soon as possible. You have the little bottom washi, your pattern washi, and your date cover. So super simple kit. So cute, and that is an ultimate exclusive as well, and that is what do you name this, the little one, and I'll probably just call it little one blue and little one pink. So that is the first option. And then you also do have the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler. It's just such a sweet little collection. I didn't do a lot of like blue stuff for Bennett, But I just think this is such a sweet little baby blue. These are the Fashion Girl add-ons. So you have like the little baby, and then I did some different skin tones and hair colors. And then there's also the option if you want to add on the really pretty bows, which I really just love this color scheme just to begin with. It's so cute. Then there is the pink option, which the blue is blue and like gray, and then this is like pink and like nude, which I think is kind of like a fun little take. Super cute. I do love like the cream color. It's very like warm, but I think it goes really well with the pink. Same thing as the other one, just in the pinks and the nudes. So that again is little one, and I'll call that one little one pink. So cute. And that one also does have the glitter headers if you want to add those on. And then there's the Fashion Girls, Fashion Mamas. And then you also have the bows for that as well if you want to add those on. So that's everything for those two collections. And then last but not least, I didn't have a ton of room in production. I forgot to put stickers on these. I didn't have a ton of room on production, but whenever I saw this art being released, I'm like, I have to do it. I personally just wanted to really use this kit myself, like maybe even next week or the next week. I think next week's my Jurassic week, but I think maybe the next week I'm going to use this just because I love this. It's called Pastel Picnic, and I just thought it was so cute. So this is the full boxes. I love this girl here. I love the girls here. I love this girl's hand. I love the flowers. I love the colors. I love the marble. Everything that I could want in a collection. You do have your Munchkin freebie, and then you have all this deco here. I just love these colors. I just think it's so fun. I'm like a pastel anytime kind of person. Lots of marble in this kit, the extra full box, and you have the marble there with the different colored strokes. I, again, am like loving the little glitter stroke on there. You have your pattern washi and headers, your solid washi, and your little things. Again, those ombre heart checklists with the marble in them, with the strokes being the different colors. And then you have the bottom washi, which has the faux washi effect, marble washi, and then marble date covers. And that is Pastel Picnic. I just think it's such a pretty collection. If you're very into pastels just for spring, you could get it for next year. But I'm probably going to use this in summer. Honestly, I feel like there wasn't a lot of summer art this year. I feel like everyone's like, I'm ready to go to fall. And I'm like, please give me just a couple more summer collections, please. But that's super cute. And I think I'm still going to use it in summer just because I think it's so pretty. It'd be a nice even like transition kit from August to September. I don't know. I'm just feeling like all the vibes with this collection. I think it's so pretty. So you do have a mini kit with this one. This is the only one with a mini kit this week and next as of right now. So cute. And as of right now, all I have planned for next week is the wizard kits, just because those are kind of a lot, being that there's 4 of them. They took forever. Got some schmutz on there. I think my finger's bleeding. Some schmutz on there, but what was I saying? Yeah, there's 4 of them, so it took a really long time to format those. So you do have the option again for the ultimate kit, the mini kit. There's a glitter sampler if you want to add that on. I love these colors. They're so pretty. There's also Fashion Girls if you want to add those on. I love the girl with the pink hair. She's so cute. And then also there are bows if you want to add those on. So that's everything for this week. So there's quite a lot. So there's 4 collections coming out this week, 3 of them being ultimate exclusives just because we have been putting out so much. And next week we do have those 4 collections, well, 4 kits coming out as well. So that's everything for this week. I hope you guys like this week's new releases, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!